So we're here at We the Curious in Bristol. It's Bristol's Science Museum and Planetarium, and a lot of it is about technology and how technology has developed over the years. And we're a technology business, and we're constantly looking to innovate and develop our technology. So this is our first ever Digital Admin Forum, where we're bringing together all of our clients, and we want to talk to them about our future product roadmap and what innovations we're going to bring in to our platform.
Getting people together at a time when the industry is incredibly busy. But just that sense of community, I think, is great. The fact that Procentia gets people together at an event like this, I just think is fantastic.
What we have noticed since the last forum, things are moving on at pace, and AI naturally is one of those. Everybody's talking about it. We're actually doing stuff about it. So we're now developing our Intelli AI product, which again will be designed to help our clients use AI tools really effectively to digitize and automate their administration processes.
So it always comes back to collaboration. Pensions administrators, software providers, ISPs sit at the centre of our pensions ecosystem. Hearing the challenges and opportunities firsthand is really powerful.
So our product roadmap is innovative, it's really ambitious, but we've been innovating Pentech since 2002, and we are determined to continue that trend.